Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you join me here today at this stunning property offering almost 9,000 square foot of living accommodation in almost 2 acres of grounds, and we're nestled in amongst the highly desirable Upper Spring Lane and Fieldgate Lane in the heart of Kenilworth. Let's take a look around. You've joined me in the stunning gardens of this amazing home, where we've got countryside just around the corner, and we've got our own access onto Fieldgate Lane and pedestrian access into Old Town Kenilworth. This really is a special place to live. If you'd like more information, please contact me in the details that follow. Thank you for watching.